How to schedule night shift on iPhone. Want your iPhone screen to automatically become warmer at night? In this video, I'll show you how to schedule night shift on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Go to Display and Brightness. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Step 3. Open Night Shift. Tap Night Shift. Step 4. Enable Scheduled. Turn on the Scheduled toggle. Step 5. Set the schedule. Tap from /2, then choose the time you want night shift to turn on and off automatically. You can also select sunset to sunrise if you want it to adjust automatically based on your location. Step 6. Adjust color temperature. Use the color temperature slider to make the screen more warm or less warm, depending on your preference. That's it. Your iPhone will now automatically enable night shift according to your schedule. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.